This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox games on mobile. First, ensure your device is compatible and has a robust internet connection. A tablet with a larger screen often offers a more comfortable experience. Download the Roblox Studio app from your device's app store, then sign in with your Roblox account. This initial setup is crucial before diving into actual game creation, setting the foundation for your development journey. It is a straightforward process, preparing you for the exciting steps ahead. Once inside Roblox Studio on your mobile device, you will notice a streamlined interface designed specifically for touch. Use 2 fingers to pan around your workspace and pinch to zoom in or out, giving you full control over your camera. Tapping on an object selects it, allowing you to access its properties and transformation tools. Familiarizing yourself with these gestures is vital, as they are your primary means of interaction within the mobile editor. Take a few minutes to practice these movements until they feel completely natural. Now, let's start building your world by adding basic parts. Tap the plus icon to open the object menu, then select a block, sphere, or wedge to add it to your scene. Once a part is selected, use the movement, scale, and rotation tools to position it exactly where you want it. In the Properties window, you can change its color, material, and even its transparency. Always remember to anchor your parts so they do not fall away, ensuring your creations stay firmly in place. After building some elements, it is time to test your game. Tap the play button to jump into your creation and experience it firsthand, checking for any issues or desired changes. Save your game frequently by accessing the menu, ensuring your progress is always secure. Once you are satisfied with your game, you can publish it directly from the Studio app. This makes your game available for millions of players on the Roblox platform, allowing them to explore your unique world and share in your creativity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.